Call parking. Call parking can be a bit tricky to set up, so we've built our system to simplify that process. Our default bays start from 700 to 709, giving you 10 bays, but you can create as many as you wish. To get started, go to Advanced Settings on the number you wish to set up the bays against on the switchboard of your SI Cloud PBX. To park a call into a bay, use the 1 short key. In this example, we have 2 parking bays. 1701 parks to parking bay 1 and 1702 to bay 2. On this Yealink phone, Pete answers the call and parks it on bay 1. Rajesh is subscribed to bays 1 and 2 and can see the red flashing light on their phone, indicating that Pete's park call is there. Hitting bay 1 retrieves the call from that bay, and now Pete can see that Rajesh has the call. If no one answers the call, it will return to Pete after the amount of time you specify. Here's how it's set up on the Yealink. Just like our previous example from Pete and Rajesh's phones, Kali, Cisco and Grandstream phones are mostly the same. For customers using Yealink or Grandstream, we support call parking directly from our device provisioning. You don't need to touch the phone. It gets set up automatically along with BLF and other keys. That's the basic setup. As always, email us on tutalk.com and chat on our live site or call our main number 800.